Good day, class. For today, we are going to have prepositions. But before going to our main topic, let me first ask how everyone's doing. Are you doing fine? Let's have Mr. Castro first.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, I'm doing fine po.
That's good to hear. How about you, Miss Kalimdim?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, well, I'm also doing fine.
Okay, that's good to hear. The both of you shall be keep safe, and for now, we are going to have our topic prepositions. So our main topic for today will be about conversation between two friends which are talking about the newly opened coffee shop in their university. So I am going to flash the conversation, which we have the two main character, which is Angel and CJ. And the two of you will read their dialogues as the girl and the boy. So let's have it. So here. Let me first remind everyone that we are going to read it, and upon reading it, you will also need to analyze and listen carefully to one another for you to be able to answer some of my questions later. Okay, so let's have our conversation.
Hello, CJ. Have you heard of the newly opened coffee shop near our university?
Yes, our classmates have been talking about it since yesterday. Claire also told me that the coffee they serve there is one of a kind.
That's awesome. By chance, do you know where is it located?
I've heard from our classmates that it is located in front of the food court, the beige-colored establishment between the milk tea shop and the burger place.
Was it the one next to the bookstore?
I'm not quite sure, but I guess so. I think we can see it easily because that's the only coffee shop we can settle to.
When we visit them, we should look at their menu and take a picture of it.
Sure, we can do that. We need to taste their best sellers to see why they are popular.
I can't wait to finish the class and visit the coffee shop.
Likewise, I'm looking forward to visiting them.
Okay, so thank you guys. So I just have few questions here. Let's go back to the first slide of the conversation. Okay. So what do you think are the two friends talking about? Hmm, anyone? Yes, Mr. Castro.
They are talking about a newly opened coffee shop near their university po.
Okay. Next. Where is the newly opened coffee shop located? Let's have Miss Kalimdim.
It is between the milk tea shop and the burger place.
Okay. And where can they find the beige-colored establishment? Mr. Castro.
The beige-colored establishment is located between the milk tea shop and the burger place po.
Okay. So let me just correct where is the newly opened coffee shop located. It is located near their university. And where can they find the beige-colored establishment, which is the coffee shop also? It is between the milk tea shop and the burger place, as said by Mr. Castro. So next, as you've analyzed and read it, let's have some activity, a short activity to see if you've analyzed how to use the prepositions or if you really learned about the conversation that we've read. So in here, our activity is called Fill Me Up. In this activity, we have a table in which you can see in the first column the sentences which have missing words, and the words that we shall fill with it is on the next column, which is the between, to, next, near, and to. So here we are going to have alternate. You guys will answer. So for example, Mr. Castro will go first, and then Miss Kalimlim, and then Mr. Castro again, and vice versa. So we are going to read the sentences first, and then you are going to guess whether which of the preposition is suitable for each sentences. So let's have Mr. Castro.
The first sentence is the newly opened shop, the newly opened coffee shop blank our university. And I believe that the missing word is near. So the sentence would be the newly opened coffee shop near our university.
Okay, we will take a look if your answer is correct later on. So let's have Miss Kalimlim.
The beige-colored establishment blanked the milk tea shop and burger place. The answer is between. So the sentence will be the beige-colored establishment between the milk tea shop and burger place.
Okay, let's have Mr. Castro again.
That's the only coffee shop we can settle blank. And the missing word would be to. So the sentence would be that's the only coffee shop we can settle to.
Miss Kalimlim's turn.
Hmm, Was it the one next to the bookstore?
Okay, and lastly, Mr. Castro.
I'm looking forward blank visiting them, and the missing word is to. So the sentence would be I'm looking forward to visiting them.
I am proud that you've answered the sentences correctly with the proper prepositions that is suitable for each sentences. So let us tackle why do we use that kind of preposition and what we base on the conversation that we've had a while ago. So in the first sentence, the newly opened coffee shop blank our university. We have here near our university. The preposition near just describe the relationship of the coffee shop to the university. The second sentence, we have the beige-colored establishment between the milk tea shop and the burger place. In here, the preposition between also describe the relationship of the beige-colored establishment to the milk tea shop and the burger place. Next is, that's the only coffee shop we can settle to. The preposition to here is shows us that the prepositions can be used in each position of the sentences. We can use it in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. And no matter what position the preposition is, we can still consider it as a preposition because of the preposition to serves a different purpose, and it can serve a different purpose, but in here it serves as a preposition. In our fourth sentence, we have, was it the one near to the bookstore, next to the bookstore? So in here, just like the first and second sentence, the preposition here just describe the relationship of the coffee shop to the bookstore. And lastly, I'm looking forward to visiting them. The preposition here serves as the it serves as the or it shows the relationship between the preposition with gerund. So our gerund here is visiting, and the preposition is placed before the gerund, which is the visiting. So that's all for our prepositions. And before I dismiss you, let me give you a short task to do when you're at home. So this will be it. You will write a paragraph with maximum of 10 sentences, and I guess the minimum is 5 sentences about the place you want to visit, of course, with the usage of prepositions that you've learned, like what we've had in the conversation. You will base the use of prepositions on the conversation that we've had a while ago. So that would be all. I hope that you guys learned from today's lesson.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.